Hello. Hello, Mrs. Chan. Good evening.
Mara,
Hi.
hi.
Hello. I can't hear. Okay. Hi. Good evening to you, Mrs. Chan.
Hi, Miss. Today, beautiful makeup.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, uh,
Yeah, I just like putting makeup sometimes, so that's why.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, today, your day?
No,
No?
no, I just like putting makeup, Mrs. Chan. Like
Ah,
sometimes, like, and then take
ah,
take pictures like that.
okay, sometime.
Yeah.
Sometime is today.
Yeah, that's right. Sometimes it's
Okay,
today.
okay,
What
okay.
about you? I'm just curious. What about you, Mrs. Chen? When you were younger, do you
Mm,
like putting makeup?
mm, um, I'm sometime.
Like when you were like in your mid 20s? Like
Uh,
25, like 22, like that.
Ah, 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 I'm start makeup.
Yeah,
Okay. I'm start makeup at maybe 30.
30.
Okay, 30.
Ah,
Okay.
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 Where did you learn makeup?
When?
Where?
Where? Where did you makeup?
Learn. Yeah, where did you learn how to put makeup?
Learn,
Yeah,
learn.
yeah,
Okay.
learn.
Myself.
Adjust yourself.
Okay, okay.
Ah, okay. What about now? Do you still like putting makeups?
Uh, now?
Yeah,
Mm, or uh, myself or
now.
artist now? My
Yeah,
me?
yeah. Mm-hmm.
No makeup.
Ah, you don't like putting makeup?
Okay, okay.
Ah, I see. Huh. Wait, I have a question. Let me share my
Mm,
screen. Can
okay.
you see my screen, Mrs. Chan?
Okay.
Okay. Can you share with me
Mm,
when you were
mm,
in your
mm.
mid 20s?
Ah, now?
In your mid 20s.
Hmm. Oh, uh, eh?
Yeah. Can you share with me when you were in your mid
Oh,
20s?
okay, okay. Uh, can you share with me when oh, you want to, I'm 20s,
Yeah. Like
okay.
what do you do?
What do you do?
In your
What do you
mid
do?
20s, like do you go
Okay, okay,
clubbing,
okay.
dating?
Okay. I'm just
Okay.
mhm. ah I'm kindergarten teacher.
Oh,
I'm
really?
I'm 20s.
Oh, really?
Okay, I'm 23
Uh-huh.
and 30.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm kindergarten teacher.
Oh, I didn't know that. Uh, how many years you were a kindergarten teacher?
Maybe 9 or 10 years.
Oh, that's a long time.
Okay, okay.
Why did you stop teaching kindergarten?
Mm, I'm kindergarten teacher stop because my husband
Ah, you have a shop,
job.
a job because of
Okay,
your husband's job.
okay. My husband's job is tennis coach.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Uh, we we will 어 테니스 콜 테니스 코트를 운영했다. 잠깐만.
Okay.
음, 음, 아, we operate we operate a tennis court.
Ah, you operate tennis court
Okay, okay,
before.
okay.
But Mrs. Chan, do you still want to be a kindergarten teacher again?
Oh, yes, I want to kindergarten teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, is now. I want.
You want it again?
Okay,
Ah, so that means Mrs. Chen, you're a teacher.
okay.
You're a
음,
teacher by profession?
아, before.
Ah, I
Is now I'm tennis umpire.
now you're a tennis umpire
Okay, but I want kindergarten teacher.
again.
Again.
Okay.
Mm,
Mrs. Chen, tell me again, when you
mm.
were in your 22, 23, like, what do you like to do? Like, what was your hobby before?
Hobby.
Yeah, what was your hobby before?
Uh, hobby is I no understand
Hobby. What
hobby.
was your hobby before?
Ah, I'm playing piano.
You like playing piano.
Okay.
Oh, why you? That's so very interesting.
You're interesting?
Yeah, it's very because um it's very
Mm.
big transition of how
Mm.
a teacher became a a tennis umpire.
Mm. Mm. My daughter is tennis player, you know?
Yeah,
Okay. Because my daughter.
because of your daughter.
Okay.
So when your daughter was younger, she
Huh?
went to a tennis.
Okay. She is 10 years old.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Start
And
start tennis.
I see. So when your daughter started tennis at 10, you joined.
Um my drawing?
You uh
My me?
when your
Mm?
daughter
Mm?
was at 10
Mm?
years old, you also joined
Also join.
tennis.
Ah, and I'm I'm tennis. I'm tennis starting 30 years old. I'm.
Ah,
Mm.
ah, to say I started
I start
playing
playing tennis
tennis when I was
when
30.
when I was 30. Okay.
Ah, that's very
Okay.
interesting. So, like for kindergarten teacher, you were like 20 until 30.
Okay. Maybe
Ah,
30. 20, 20 and 30.
uh-huh.
Uh, I'm kindergarten teacher,
Mm-hmm.
and 30, I'm start to playing the tennis.
Uh-huh.
Mm, and
Ah,
and 2019,
uh-huh.
음, 잠깐만.
Okay.
음, 어, 어, I'm 2019
Mm-hmm.
and license tennis
Ah,
umpire.
ah, I became okay. I became
I became
a licensed tennis umpire
okay,
in 2019.
okay. Ah, you smart.
Thank you, Mrs. Chan.
Oh, you smart. Ah,
Thank you. So you became a licensed tennis player in 2019.
okay. I became
Ah,
okay license. Okay. Mm,
okay, that's nice. Oh.
mm.
In your 20s, Mrs. Chen, do you like drinking? Do you like go to the club?
Mm. Um,
Like hanging
I'm
out with your
I'm I,
friends?
I'm not I'm not go to club.
I don't like going to the club.
I don't
Like,
I don't I no right. I like club, but
uh-huh.
I don't go to club.
Why not?
Um, I don't know.
You don't know. I see.
Okay.
But what about drinking with your friends?
Uh, drinking.
Drinking
Starting.
alcohol?
Okay, drinking start.
No, like,
No?
do you like drinking
Hmm.
with your friends
Friends.
when you were younger?
Ah. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. I'm like drinking, but
Uh-huh.
but hmm, one uh one 잠깐만.
Okay.
음. I like drinking, but I can drink much.
I see. Just a little.
Okay, later.
Okay, that's nice. What about,
Mm.
do you like going out with friends when you were younger?
Mm, okay.
Did you like going out with your friends before?
Did you like? Did you
Did you
like
like, yeah? Did you like going out?
going out?
Mm-hmm.
Did you like going out? Screen, please.
Oh, you can see the
Ah,
screen.
ah, ah. I like many like uh going to going out. I'm like very like going
Ah,
out,
I
but
like
but
going.
but my parents no.
Ah, ha, okay, but my parents were strict.
Strict. Okay, okay.
Ah, so you like going out very much, but your parents were strict.
Okay, strict.
Ah,
Strict. Okay.
what about
Very,
you?
very strict.
Really? What about you, Mrs. Chen? Are you strict? Are you a strict mother?
Me?
Yeah, are you a strict mother?
Mm, oh, no,
No,
no.
no. What about your husband? Is he strict to your
Mm,
daughter?
uh, no.
No, too. Ah, wow. Your daughter
we,
is very lucky.
uh, we, we, we are friends.
Oh, you are like very cool parents.
Okay, okay.
Oh, well, me, my mother was very strict.
Ah,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah,
mm,
but she passed when I was 17 years old.
mm, mm.
Yeah. But my father, he is not strict. He is very
Oh,
cool.
your mom?
Yeah, just my mom, she
Ah,
was very strict.
oh,
Yeah.
mm. Ah,
Uh, So yeah,
oh,
tell me, Mrs. Chen, why you're not strict to your daughter?
me?
Yeah, why you are not strict to your
Ah,
daughter?
I'm hate to string my mom.
Ah,
Mm,
okay.
because I'm not strict.
Ah, because I think having a strict mom, your kid tend to keep secrets.
음, that's right. 맞아요. I'm I'm keep script.
Uh-huh.
I'm 아, 나는 갖고 있어. I had many I had many keep script.
Secret. I
어,
kept
어,
secrets a lot.
I kept secret a lot. 어, of mom,
Uh,
for
bec
mom,
yeah,
for
on
mom,
my mom.
on my mom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. I kept I kept secret a lot on my mom. Okay.
Ah, okay. I
음,
understand that. Me too when
음,
I was a teenager.
음,
Yeah, I had secrets when I was teenager too because I'm
음.
afraid of my mom.
음, you too?
Yeah, like
Me
I
too.
felt scared.
어,
Yeah, so
아,
that's why.
me too, me too.
Yeah, I understand that, Mrs. Chan.
음, 음.
So, yeah.
I'm, I'm 17
Uh-huh.
or 17 or 19 years old.
Uh-huh.
I had a boyfriend.
Ooh, you're so
음.
young.
but,
Okay.
but my mom is, my mom is, 몰랐어. 몰랐어? 어, my mom don't really know.
Ah, she didn't know until now.
Okay.
Is it like was it your boyfriend, your husband now?
No.
A different one. Oh. Mrs. Chen, how old were you when you met your husband?
Mary?
No, how old were you when you dated your husband?
Ah,
Like
my
boyfriend and girlfriend. How old were
uh,
you?
my husband?
Yeah, how old
Uh,
were you
uh,
when you met your
ah,
husband?
okay, met. Met.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, um, my husband met first time.
Uh-huh.
Mm, I'm 18, 18 year.
18
Met.
years. Ah,
Met,
ah,
met. Uh,
you were 18 years old?
oh, my my house, my house in lived together.
Okay.
Oh, he, he's 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 my
Is your
brother.
neighbor?
He's my brother is friend.
Okay. So, so you were like neighbors,
Okay,
neighbors,
Neighbors.
neighbors,
Ah,
like,
ah. Um, my husband is brother. My brother.
mm, my
My brother
brother's
is
friend.
friend.
I see.
Hmm.
So he's your brother's friend,
Oh, older brother.
old brother's friend.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Okay. So how old were you when you dated? Like
음, 데이트할 때는, 어, 어, date is or,
like dating.
okay, dating is or 34.
Ah,
Okay.
ah.
First
So,
met, okay,
mhm.
first met 18
Uh-huh.
or 19 years old.
Uh-huh.
Uh, first dating, um, my, me
I
is
was
34.
I was 34.
33? 34?
So you were like 33 or 34.
Okay, okay.
How old were you when you get married?
Mm, Mary, we, we, we does, right?
Huh?
We marry,
We got
we,
married.
we got married 36 year. Okay,
Ah.
36. Okay,
Okay. So you were like 2 years dating.
okay.
Okay. That's interesting, Mrs.
Okay.
Chan. Okay. So, um, uh, how did you two ended up dating?
음, 아, 어, ended,
Yeah.
ended, to ended. Okay. Um, we end up dating.
Yeah.
We end up dating. To together tennis.
Because of the tennis.
Okay, okay, of the tennis. Okay,
So you're like playing tennis together.
okay. He is my parents' tennis coach.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So that means your husband is rich.
Okay. Oh, no, no, no.
Oh
No,
no?
no, no. Um, my parents is tennis player very like
Uh, are they like
my
tennis
parents
player?
is like tennis player
Ah,
and coach.
okay.
Okay.
So
So
mm-hmm.
so uh they are live my lived my home.
Ah, okay. So that means they liked your husband.
Okay.
Oh, okay, that's good. Well, thank you for sharing me that, Mrs. Chan.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Um,
In our class,
mm,
it's we're
mm,
having a
mm.
conversation to
Conversation.
practice your English.
어, 너무 좋아.
What is that?
아, 잠깐만.
Okay.
음. I love it this
You
time.
love it. Ah, okay. Yeah, because sometimes we go to book to
음,
have words, new words.
okay.
Yeah, and then sometimes we have like practice conversing.
I love it.
You love it? Okay, that's
Okay.
good. Okay.
Sometimes practice my me English.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Sometimes food.
Okay, yeah, we can do that, Mrs. Chan.
Okay. 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 Mm.
Okay. So I think that's all. So Mrs. Chen, what are you going to do after our class?
Again,
What are you going to do after our class?
after
Uh-huh.
after after our class,
Yeah, what are you going to do?
what are you going to do?
Yeah, are you going to eat dinner or sleep?
Ah, dinner.
You will eat dinner with your husband?
Okay.
Oh,
He, uh, he, he is at home
he's waiting for
now.
you?
Now, okay.
Okay, that's good to know, Mrs. Chen. I think you're very hungry now. So you can eat with your husband, Mrs. Chen.
You too?
Yeah, me too. Like, I mean, I ate dinner already.
Mm. Ah,
Oh,
ah. Mm. Today is you so beautiful.
thank you, Mrs. Chen. Thank you. But I think our lesson is over, Mrs. Chen. So let's have a good
Okay.
night now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, have a good night. Bye bye, Mrs. Chen.
Bye, Mara, beautiful Mara.
Bye. Thank you.